Is your perfect video ruined by a stranger walking in the frame? Or perhaps an unsightly object cluttering the background? You do not need to reshoot, and you certainly do not need expensive VFX software. Filmora 15 features a powerful AI object remover that fixes this in seconds. First, drag your video clip onto the timeline. Double-click the clip to open the settings panel. Scroll down until you find AI Object Remover. Click the toggle switch to turn it on. Now, click the button that says Smart Brush. A new window will appear showing your video. Use your mouse to paint over the unwanted object. Make sure to cover the entire area, including any shadows. Once you are done highlighting, click the Remove button. The AI will analyze the surrounding pixels. It instantly replaces the object with a generated background that matches perfectly. Look at the result. The distraction has vanished completely. Your shot is now clean, professional, and ready to publish. If you love this magic trick, please hit the like button, and do not forget to subscribe for more AI editing tutorials.